Materials required for the preparation of Bijamrita. Drums with the capacity of 250 liters. We need to take 40 liters of water. Collect 10 liters of fresh cow urine. And then take 100 grams of lime. And collect handful of soil under the banyan tree. Now we will see the preparation of Bijamrita. First of all, we need to take drum for the preparation of Bijamrita. Then we have to take water depending upon the amount of Bijamrita we require. And here we have taken 40 liters of water. And then we need to take 10 kg of cow dung in a cloth or a bag and bound it with a tape or a rope, and then hang this in 40 liters of water which was already collected and soak for 12 hours. And now we need to take 2 liters of water in a bucket. Take 100 grams of lime which is weighed on weighing machine. Now take 100 grams of lime and mix it in 2 liters of water for the preparation of lime solution, and keep this solution for overnight aside. Next morning, squeeze the bundle of cow dung in the water thrice continuously so that all the essentials will be accumulated in the water. And then add a handful of soil in the water solution and stir it well. Finally, we need to take 20 liters of urine and we need to mix it in solution. Stir the lime water for a while, and now we need to add lime solution in that solution. And finally it is ready for use, and now we need to close with a cloth or a mat for a good aeration for the microbial growth. Now we will see application of Bijamrita. Now add Bijamrita to the seed of any crop as a seed treatment. Coat them with Bijamrita and mix them by hands and well dry and use for sowing. For legume seeds, just dip them quickly and let it dry. Now we will see benefits of Bijamrita. Bijamrita contain higher number of bacteria, fungi, actinomycetes, nitrogen fertilizers and phosphorus solubilizers. It improves seed germination, seedling length and vigor, and also helpful for plant growth.